What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. You joined me today on a rather nice day actually. It's been cold in the UK, lots of rain and stuff, but weather's looking good today, so I thought I'll come out and just make a little quick video. I've only gone and got myself another car, probably the cheapest one of these cars in the UK by far. I mean, I've been searching and I haven't found another one so far. This is HPR clear, clear title if you're in America. There's no damage at all on this car. There are a few bits and pieces that need addressing on the car. This is 2009 TTRS, and guess what? You're probably wondering why is it so cheap. Well, as you may know from my other videos, if you have seen my other videos, yeah, I got another high mileage car. So how much mileage does this car have exactly? Let me have a quick look. Yeah, 146,000 miles it has. It's a 09 TTRS, and guess what? Oh yeah, 6-speed manual. So this is probably, if I'm not mistaken, they don't make manuals anymore, so this is the last of the manuals. Well, not the last year of the manuals. I'm not sure what year they go up to, but they don't make manuals anymore. So this is an absolute gem. It's HPR clear, so it's a nice car that I can actually keep in my collection. Not sure if I'm going to sell it. I don't think I will, unless I really need the money for something else. But so far, I don't plan on selling this car. I'm really happy I've got it, and I plan on doing a lot with this car. So it'd be good to, if anyone knows much about these cars and got information on how to get big power out of them, please hit the comments below. Let me know exactly what I need doing. I have spoken to a few companies, and they have said that on the standard block these are good for 650 brake on the standard block. This is an older gen car, so they have got the cast iron block, which is stronger than the newer cars. The newer are aluminium. I do know that the new ones are a bit lighter because they're alloy, but you can save about 20 kilos. But they are what you call it, they are going to be a lot weaker, because cast iron is always going to be stronger than an alloy block. So I've been told. Anyways, enough of me chatting. Let me just show you the car so you can actually see what we're working with here, and show you my new car. Now, as you can see, it is amazing. The guy got this car off, he really done a good job picking the wheels. The car looks stunning in my opinion. The wheels, mate, you've nailed it. Them wheels just, they look amazing on the car. Black on black with a bit of silver, diamond cut they are. Then you got the nice mirrors as well, which you get on all Audis. But look at that, how aggressive that car looks. Absolutely stunning in my opinion. 2009 TTRS. I won't say how much I paid for this car just yet, but this is by far the cheapest TTRS in the UK. For a car that's HPR clear and got no damage, so no money needs to be spent on replacing bits and pieces. Wow. Now, for what I paid for this car, I think is an absolute bargain, because you've got nice wheels on it. Saves me having to spend money on getting wheels. And have a look at that as well. Carbon spoiler. That is stunning. So shout out to the guy I got this from, because he really hooked me up on this. Car will be well looked after, mate. So look at that. I mean, you just can't go wrong with carbon fiber. I love carbon. Rear brakes look like they could do with a replace. The discs, I'm not sure about the pads, but front discs, they're amazing. I don't think they'll be needing changing anytime soon. Nice, let's have a look inside. Now there you go. That's where the magic happens. Look at that. 6-speed manual. Nice alloy pedals. Car is stunning. Interior looks good. A good combination, I think. Yeah. I'll be hoping to get big power out of this car. Do a lot with these. I've always wanted a 5-cylinder from the... I'm a proper rally guy. And to be honest with you, that's how I fell in love with cars. Is just pure rally. Just love the TTs. I've always wanted an RS3. If I'm being completely honest, I never knew that you could get the TTRSs as a 5-cylinder. Not many people know about them, as in, like, a lot of people seem to get the RS3s. Right, there we go. 5-cylinder, all day, every fucking day, mate. If you know, you know. Have a look at that. I'm going to start it up. Let me know what you guys think. There's the mileage. Pop that exhaust pipe open. If any of you know about these cars, let me know what you think of the engine. Sounds alright to me. By far the cheapest TTRS in the UK. Have a look at that. There are a few bits doing, so looking forward to start working on this car. Can't wait to service it. Get the oil out and have a look if there's any contamination in the oil. I've already ordered some spark plugs, the oil service. Basically, I've ordered a whole servicing kit for the car and a whole intake system. All that will be replaced. And next thing I'm going to get is an exhaust. I don't want to get a full system because I don't want it too drony. I don't want it too loud. I want to keep it a bit civilized. So probably just going to do maybe turbo and a catback and keep the stock items if I can. Not sure how it's going to work. I've not looked into all this stuff yet. But brakes, front brakes, the discs are alright. Pads look alright as well. Rear discs need changing. Oh yeah, look at that carbon. And them alloys, and I'll probably keep saying about them alloys, but I just think they look sick on the car. Yeah, it sits alright actually. I've got some spaces already for this car, but to be honest with you, I'm not even going to put them on because I think the car sits alright actually. Let me give you a quick rev. think we'll definitely get some engine mounts. Have a look. Listen from the backside. Oh yeah, that sounds good. It's pretty clean. Amazing. I just love these cars. It looks exactly like the R8. I used to have a 2008 R8. It was a V8 model. I don't think they even made a V10s in 2008, but yeah, it was the first gen. Looks exactly the same as what this does. It was R-tronic, I think they are, in that year. Amazing. It wasn't too bad, shifted alright. A lot of people said that they shift shit, but I thought it was alright. And at the end of the day, you got a supercar really, so you can't go wrong. Not everyone's made of money, so if you can afford a V8, get a V8. Something different, experience it. It's better than not having stuff. I don't mind. I'm not made of money, so I don't mind getting stuff. And to be honest with you, if a car's got high mileage and it's looked after, that's the main thing. Got this car, I've already done 400 miles in it. Purchased it from Bolton, drove it back the same day, pissing down with rain. The car got me home without no problems, without no faults. And so it was about, you could say I did about 200 miles just in that day picking up the car. So I mean, it's not let me down. No engine lights, no lights on the dash. So far so good. Yeah, I mean, have a look at basically everything in the car. Let me know what you think. Please comment below, tell me best route to go and what to look out for on these cars, what to check first, because I'm new to these cars and I'm learning every day as I go, so I'm always open to everyone's advice and getting everyone's knowledge, because there's people out there that know these cars, and I'm sure that if you're going to be watching this on YouTube, then you obviously either love these 5-cylinder cars or know something about these 5-cylinder cars. So please comment below, let me know exactly what to look out for, what to check, like in terms of engine, brakes, what wears out on these prematurely. And yeah, I mean, it's a high mileage car, but car sounds good. Yeah, it sounds amazing. I've just treated it to some of this stuff here. If you've got a car, wait 1 minute. Yeah, I've just treated it to some of this stuff here. I do this to every single car I buy. Full tank. To be honest, I put half a tank. One of these. I'm gonna get another one of these. So if you're watching this on this day today, then they've got these at Tesco's for £2, half price. So if I were you, I'll go get some. Treat your car to this. It works. It's amazing. Yeah. Get some of that stuff, treat your fuel, and it should clean out the injectors and stuff like that. I've seen it on 5th gear, and they actually did show when they done a service with the oil fuel treatment that the car actually did pick up some brake horsepower. So right, let's go for a quick little drive. First impressions on camera, that is. Woman just came and told me off because I was revving the car, so I wasn't too happy about that. But yeah, first car drives amazing. And you know, one thing I like about this car as well, it gives you the indication for the gears, so it tells you when to shift up and down. I do love it. Worst thing is, I'll tell you what, the worst thing is doing all them hill starts again is crazy, because I've been driving a few autos, so I haven't been doing much gears and stuff, so now I've got to get used to doing gears again. I mean, you can never lose, if you know how to drive a car, you can never lose changing gears and stuff. because I don't want to feel like I'm burning the clutch when I'm on a hill, because there's just tons of hills around here. But obviously this is my first TTRS, so I mean, it seems like it's got all its power. I don't know what to look for in these cars. I've always driven fast cars, so I do feel like it can be a bit faster. Roads are fucking bumpy around it. And he's quick. I had them up to Ford Focus RS. They're pretty much the same, to be honest. Difference is this one just feels, it's just, the Quattro system just works so good on this. Right, so far so good. Car drives amazing. Goes through all the gears really well. And yeah, I'm loving the 6-speed. I would prefer, if I'm being really honest with you, I would prefer a DSG, because I just love the sound of when them gears change. And you could just cane it, you could just kill it. I'm starting to get used to this, but I've been told that these are known for grinding gears. Best thing to do is get a decent clutch and gear oil, and that should solve the problem. Sounds amazing. Car drives so good. I'm going to take it to one of my, I say local, they're not very local, but yeah, take it for a quick little checkup and get their thoughts on it, tell me what they think of it. Same place I took my E46 M3, a place called CPC Engineering. Right, what's going on, guys? Just taking the car to CPC Engineering. They've given the car a once over, all clear, everything's all good news, car sounds as it should. So with all that good information now, I'm looking forward to start servicing the car and building my supercar killer. So if you guys are interested in this car and, you know, following the journey, why not consider subscribing to the channel. Lots more good stuff to come, and we can only grow with your guys' help. So please consider subscribing, like, share, you know, the basic stuff you do. And yeah, thanks for watching.